Having visibility of a network's health, efficiency, and service levels is crucial to network and services operations. NSP Assurance applications provide operators with the diagnosis and troubleshooting tools required to keep networks and services operating efficiently. This second scenario shows how to use the NSP application Incident Advisor to integrate with the Workflow Manager application to resolve an incident. The Details page shows a closely matched incident with a set of action labels. Let's view the details of the suggested actions. From the Label Configuration page, click on the information icon to see the label info. This action label is implemented by the NSP Workflow Manager application and runs a workflow to correct the port configuration. Let's associate the closest matching incident to the new incident. Diagnosis and action labels from the known incident are applied to the new incident. Update the comments for the new incident and click Complete. When we click Complete, the workflow linked to the action label in the Incident Advisor application triggers the workflow in the Workflow Manager application. The workflow succeeds, and the port MTU has been updated. The incident is now resolved, and the configuration error has been fixed.